Warga Patisi TV.
Kipulit ka Assam Kliok Kiam Chief Organiser jong North East India Festival Usham Kanu Mahanta na Indira Gandhi International Airport New Delhi Hakapor bu udawan pai na Singapore kat bayu manager pat Usidharta Sharma layok kem na kaying sa jong kebadan Gurugram. Yakini baru arngut lawan Ra Shagwati mentaka steps ngi balang. Kasit ke bekli the special DGP UMP Gupta kan tok ke benya yakini arngut halo ka jungyap unang roi pau ka Assam Uzubin Gak haka ka khandai je unai lor arajar apusan haka por buli benya shimbenta haka North East India Festival ya ka blatmun belong ha Singapore hindai lapin sange no namar ka jungyap jelop jong Uzubin haduriau Kasit kelakot hajiru ikabon wak kibriu bakin top yo dukot jong ke Singapore Assam Association bat kumjuk ru ki wepan ki blalit lang syo Singapore ban shim benta ka festival kanam ban yo ban shim statement niki
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.